to Investing with Saraan. Today we have an important video in our new series. I mentioned in our last video that we would be talking about our fourth stock in our Wealthsimple Trade Growth Challenge, but I decided to postpone that video for next week and provide you a short video on the current standing of this portfolio. But before that, I want to remind you all the reason for this challenge for any new watchers of my channel. The main purpose of this series is to show how a university student like myself, without a lot of money, can build up a nice growth portfolio with a small amount. With that information, let's go straight into how our three stocks did after 1 month. The first stock that we've added to our small growth challenge portfolio is Drone Delivery Canada Corp. As a recap, this stock has a business focused on their drone products and services. They not only develop and sell the drones in their company, but they also sell and license the software along with it. Drone Delivery Canada is publicly traded, as mentioned in the beginning of the video. It's a disruptive company that's pioneering technology that is focused on designing, developing, and implementing commercial viable drone-based logistics system for government, commercial, industrial, and retail customers globally. I bought the stock at $1.25 Canadian and bought 12 shares. After a month, this stock is valued at $1.28, also known as $1.28 Canadian, which gives me a small gain of 2.4%. The small gain compared to its high last week of 14%. Hopefully, by the end of 2021, we can hit that 10% appreciation target. The second stock in our small growth portfolio challenge is CloudMD Software and Services Inc. As a recap, this stock is a telehealth company based in Vancouver, Canada. They're a rapidly growing technology company that focuses on digitizing the delivery of healthcare by providing patients access to all points of their care from their phone, tablet, or desktop computer. They have developed proprietary technology that delivers quality healthcare through the combination of connected primary care clinics, telemedicine, and artificial intelligence. CloudMD's team-based, whole-person approach to healthcare aims to engage patients and empower doctors, while connecting the entire health ecosystem and provide longitudinal care. I bought this stock at $1.80, and I bought 16 shares of this. After a month, this stock is valued at $1.78, which gives me a small loss of 1.1%. This company is still destined to grow as it has hit highs last week of $1.96%, which is around 8%. Hopefully by the end of 2021, we can hit that 10% appreciation target. The most recent stock that we've added to our small growth challenge portfolio is H2o Innovation Inc. As a recap, this stock, H2o Innovation, explained by their name, is a company that innovates the simple element known as water. H2o Innovation is a complete water solutions company focused on providing the best in-class technologies and services to their customers. I bought the stock at $2.29 and I bought 6 shares of it. After a month, this stock is valued at $2.77, which is really great for me, as it's currently at its highest peak within the month and has increased about 20.96%. I'm hoping the stock continues giving great results and meeting my expectations of 10% or more in a market gain. After reviewing the stocks I bought so far in my small account growth challenge with Wealthsimple, we now have to calculate the percentage of the market gain. Using Yahoo Finance to input the information, we are able to find that I'm halfway at my goal for this challenge with a 5.07 gain. In the following weeks, I'll invest more into this challenge and show you the rest of the stocks I've decided to invest in within this challenge. But with that information, join me next video where I'll show you the fourth stock to add in this challenge. Bye for now.